In this Fresh Farm video, we're looking at radishes. A radish is a root vegetable that you'll usually see at the market in spring, and then again in the fall. Radishes come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are long, some round, some are white, some are black, and one even looks like a watermelon when you cut it open. But the most common variety is the smaller red radish. If you're not eating them right away, go ahead and remove the green tops from your radishes. Then give the radishes a wash and dry them. Next, wrap them in a paper towel and place them in a plastic bag. Then, put the bag in your refrigerator's crisper drawer. Radishes can stay like this for 3 to 4 weeks. Radishes are commonly eaten raw. They're often sliced thin and added to sandwiches, salads, tacos, or any number of dishes. Like many vegetables, radishes can also be sautéed alone, or with garlic and oil, or with other vegetables. Some people even pickle their radishes. There are many ways to enjoy radishes, so feel free to explore the Fresh Farm recipe page and have fun cooking.